Class 8th Mathematics. I am R. S. Prasad sir. Today we will start second part of direct and inverse variation. That is the exercise 7.2 and the questions 11 to 20. Now proceed to question number 11. Here is question number 11. The wages of 25 laborers is rupees 1250. What is the amount of wages for 40 laborers? So you can write here laborers. First of all, you can write here laborers. Laborers, and here is the wages. Wages means मजदूरी है इसकी, and wages in rupees. So labors are that is the 25 labors, and how many? It is 1250 rupees. Wages 40 labors, here is, you can write here 40 labors, let it be X. Let wages be rupees X. Now it is direct variation, so you can put the downward arrow. You can write here it is direct variation, because if the labors are more, so you will give the wages more. It is direct variation, so you can write here X upon 1250 is equal to 40 upon 25. So X will be equal to 40 upon 25 into 1250. Now 5 ja and 5 2 ja 10 and 5 5 ja, so 0. So 5 5 ja 25 and 1 0. Now 40 into 50. Now multiply 5 4 ja 20 and 2 zeros. So that is the 2000 rupees. So you can write rupees 2000. That is your answer. Now come to the 12th question. A labor gets rupees 806 for working 13 days. And how many days would he have worked in? He was paid rupees this. So first of all, rupees and the labors. So first of all, labors, and here is rupees. So labors, how many labors? A labor gets 806 for 13 days. No, it is so first of all you can write here again labor, rupees and the days. So you can write here days and rupees. So how many labors? No, labors are same. 806 rupees. So here is 806 rupees and 13 days. How many days? Let it be X days, and rupees is 1798. So let days be X. Now both are direct variation. If you have a lot of number of days, so you will pay more money. So that is the direct variation. So you can put down arrow. So here you can write it is direct variation. So X upon 13 is equal to 1798 upon 806. So X is equal to 1798 upon 806 into 13. Yes, 13 1 ja 13 and 13 6 ja 78 and 13 2 ja 26. And now 62 so divide करेंगे ये, it becomes 29. So 29 days will be your answer. That is your answer. Now come to the next question. Thirteen question. Namrata takes 1225 steps to cover a distance of 100 meters. How much distance will she cover in steps? So you can write here steps, and here is distance in meter. So you can write here, first of all, steps is 1 2 2 5 and distance is 100 meter. Now how much distance? Let it be x, and the steps is 2835. So it is also direct variation, because if you put more steps, so you can cover more distance. So let distance be x meter. So it is direct variation. So x upon 100 is equal to 2835 upon 1225. Now x is equal to 2835 upon 1225 into 100. So what will be happen? So 5 2 ja 10 and 5 4 ja 20 and 5 5 ja. Now 5 2 ja and 0. Once again 5 4 ja 20 and 5 9 ja 45, and here is 5 4 ja. Now it is divided by 49. What will be happen? It is divided by 49. Now it is divided by 7. 7 7 ja 49, and it is 7 4 ja 28 and 0, and 7 5 ja 35. So it becomes 405 into 4 upon 7, and the after multiplication 1620 upon 7, and it will be 231.42 minute, and that is your answer. So you can write the answer. Now come to the 14th question. A dealer gets a commission of rupees 73 for selling items worth rupees 1000. So first of all, write here commission in rupees, and here is selling worth, that is also in rupees. Now dealer gets a commission 73 rupees, so it is 73 rupees selling item, that is the 1000. And how much commission will he get? Suppose it is x, selling items 100 rupees. Now so let the commission be rupees x. If person selling more worth, that means he get a more commission, and that is the direct variation. So you can put the down arrow, so you can write it is direct variation. So here is x upon 73 is equal to 100 upon 1000. So x is equal to 100 upon 1000 into 73. 0 will be cancelled out with 0, and 0 will cancel out. So we get 73 upon 10. So you can say 77.3 rupees. So answer is rupees 7.3 answer, and that is the commission. Now come to the next question, 15th question. The thickness of 500 sheets. So you can write here number of sheets, and here is paper is 3.5 centimeter. Thickness क्या लो इधर, thickness in centimeter. So sheets, that is the 500, and it is your 3.5 centimeter, and thickness is 275 sheets. So 275 seats, let it be x. So let x centimeter, thickness is x centimeter. Now both are direct variation because if the number of seats are large, so thickness is large. So it is direct variation. So what upon x upon 3.5 is equal to 275 upon 500. So x will be equal to 275 upon 500 into 3.5. Okay. Now removing the decimal, so 10 here. Now 5 1 ja 5 double 0 and 5 7 ja. Now multiply to this. It is like this, and put the decimal after 3, so it is 1.925, that is in centimeter. So that is your answer. Now come to the 16. A man can read 180 words in 1 minute. So number of words, and here is time in minute. So number of words is 180 and time is 1 minute. Number of words is 768. So time taken, let it be x. So let time be x minute. So you can write it is direct variation. That means you can write here, put the down arrow, because if you have a large number of words, so you take a long time. So it is x upon 1 is equal to 768 upon 180. So x equal to 768 upon 180. So now divide here, 2 9 ja 0 and 2 3 ja 6 and 2 8 ja 16 and 2 4 ja. So 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6 and 3 8 ja. Now once again it is divided by 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja and 2 6 ja and 2 4 ja. So it will be 64 upon 15. So what happened? Now divide it. So 64 divided by 15. So 15 4 ja 60 and we get only 4. So you can write 4 hours and 4 by 15 minute. So that is your answer. Now come to the 17th question. Sunita types 1080 words. So you can write your number of words. And here is time. Time is in 1 hour. So you can write 1 hours is equal to 60 minutes. So time in minute. So R is Sunita types 1080 words in 1 hour, that is the 60 minute. Find the rate of typing per minute. Per minute, that is the 1 minute. Let it be x. So let words be x. So both are in direct variation. So you can write it is direct variation. Why it is direct variation? If you have large number of words, so you want to large time, and that is a long time. So you can see here it is direct variation. So x upon 1 080, it is 0, and it is 1 upon 60. So x will be equal to 1 upon 60 into 1080. Now 0 will be cancelled out with 0, and 2 3 ja, and 2 5 ja, and 2 4 ja. So 3 1 ja 3, and here is 3 1 ja 3, and 3 8 ja. So that is the 18 words. So 18 words per minute. That is the rate is, you can say rate is equal to 18 words per minute. So that is your answer. Now come to the 18 question. 25 laborers makes a 7.5 kilometer long road. In 1 week, how many laborers will make a road 10.2 kilometer in 1 week? So you can write here number of labor, or here is length of road in kilometer, right? Number of labor, that is the 25, and it is 7.5 kilometer. How many labors? Let it be x labor, and that is the 10.2 kilometer. So let x labor. So both are in direct variation, because if number of labors are more, so they can make a long road. So it is direct variation. So it is x upon 25 is equal to 10.2 upon 7.5. So x is equal to 10.2 upon 7.5 into 25. Now decimal will be removed. 25 3 ja, and 3 3 ja 9, and 3 4 ja 12. So x equal to 34. What 34? 34 labors. So that is your answer. Now come to the next question, and the question 19. The weight of 10 bags of cement is 4.5 quintal. It is the number of bags, and here is weight in quintal. Number of bags, that is the 10 bags, and it is your 4.5 quintals. What will be the bags of 35 such? So 35 bags, let it be x quintal. So both are direct variation, because number of bags are increasing, the weight are also increases. So let weight be x quintal. So you can write here it is direct variation. So now x upon 4.5 is equal to 35 upon 10. So x is equal to 35 upon 10 into 4.5. So what will be happen? So first of all, you can multiply this 3.5 to 4.5, 335 to 4.5, 5 5 that 25 2, and so it becomes 157.5 upon 10, and that is 15.75 quintal. That is your answer. Now come to the last question of this exercise. I think it is more easy. So the speed of a car is 60 km per hour. So speed of car is equal to 60 km per hour. So in 1 kilometer, that is travel, it's 60 km. So 60 into 1, it is equal to 60, and 60 into 2, that is the 120, and 60 into 3 is equal to 180 kilometers. So you can see here time is given here. So 1 hour is not given, but 2 hour is given here. So 2 hour is 120. So you can put here 120, this one, and 3 is 180. So you can see here it is your 3. And what about to 4? 4, so 60 into 4, it is 240. So you can write it is 240. This one is, and last one is going to the last, this one. So that is the answer. So it is also in direct variation. Which one? Speed and time. That is the distance and time. It is distance and time is always डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन। ये एक्सरसाइज समाप्त हो रही है, आप लोग अपनी कॉपी में कंप्लीट कर लेंगे। इससे पहले वाली एक्सरसाइज मैंने पहले वीडियो में दिया था, अब इसमें मैंने कंप्लीट कर दी है। आप लोग अपनी कॉपी में पूरी तरह से कंप्लीट कर लेंगे। और नीचे एक लाल बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, इसको दबा करके सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, जिससे मेरे को पता चल सके कि आप लोगों ने वीडियो मेरा देख लिया है। और इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करेंगे, जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों का फ़ायदा हो सके। इसी के साथ मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर इसको